Hey guys, I'm back with part 3 on this album. I'm Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up, and we are doing a tutorial on this album right here. So if you haven't seen it, check out my YouTube. It's on there, so if you want to, where I done a review of it, you can go check this out. This is what we're making. So this is part 3. And last time we attached our pockets and made our hinge. So we are ready to go to put all our flaps on now. So if you'll grab your pieces that we made, we have a back page, a front page, 2 front flaps, and 2 back flaps. So grab your front page, and one thing you want to do is make sure you are correct orientation on this, because you want your tab to be down here at the bottom and open it up. That's our front. Don't make the mistake I did. I had mine backwards. Okay, the first thing we need to do is grab our scoreboard, and we are going to score these all at a 1/2 inch. So make sure it's in your scoreboard good. Score at a 1/2 inch on all these pieces that we have. Alrighty, last one. Okay, put your scoreboard away. And now we're gonna burnish these, fold on them. So this one, let's see. Okay, grab your front page. And we want the front page to be like that. So what we're going to do is, so you want it to like that. And then burnish. Apply your score pile tape, and I'm going to use my 3/8. And we're going to attach it like this. Now when you're attaching this, your score line on your spine, you want to be about 1/8 of an inch away. You do not want to be on that score line. So just line her up, top to bottom. And I just hold my arm here. There we go. There's our front page. Now what we want to do is put our flaps on here. So grab your 2 that are front flaps. Okay. And we need these to be this flap here. And this flap is going like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me grab a piece of my black paper over here so you guys can see this. There. So you want the orientation of the flap on that one, and then the orientation of the flap like that. Hope that helps. Okay, so we're going to fold this one in like this, and again, burnish that, and apply your score pile tape. This is a fun little album to make. Needless to say, I think this is about my 4th one. I've goofed up videos and goofed up the file folders making it. This one has been trying. But it is really a fun, and it's a really cute album. Okay, so what we're doing here, if you see this, is we are attaching this like this. And you want to line up your top to bottom. And when you're lined up, just hold it down and take your tape off. Oh, never fails. I'm on camera and I can't get the tape off. Sometimes that tape is just terrible. Okay, there we go. Let's give it a quick burnish. Okay, let's do the other side. So we're going to fold this in like that. And burnish it. Okay, put your score pile tape on. And like I said earlier, if you guys happen to have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Because I know there'll be questions. Okay, so this one is going to go clear up to the tab. And I know you got a little overhang here. We will cut that off, so don't worry about that. Line it up with your album. Okay, and then you take your tape off. And if you happen to have just a little bit of an overhang, you can cut that little bit of overhang off. Okay, now what we're going to do is grab your scissors. And there's just, oops, you got this piece right here that you want to cut off. So I'm going to just stay along with the file folder itself, how it's cut, just like that. And then the other side is the same way. Let's see. And I'm just going to trim it just the way the file folder is. Okay. There's our flaps, guys. Okay. Now let's do our back page. So grab your back page and your back page is going to go like this. So this needs to fold under. Apply our score pile tape. I hope this all makes sense to you guys. Sometimes it can be kind of a complicated thing. Okay, so remember your score line. You want 1/8 of an inch away from that score line, and then line yourself up. If you're not quite lined up, it's okay. You can always cut that little bit off. To me, there is no mistake in scrapbooking. You can always fix your mistakes somehow. Okay, there's our flap. So let's get our flaps on here. And the two pieces that say back flaps, and they are going to go like this, and then this one's going to be at the bottom. Can you guys see that? So you want the little one to be on your left hand side and the bigger tab at the bottom on the other side. Let me use my black piece of paper so you can see, like that. Okay, so fold this one and burnish, please. And this one's going to go this way. And burnish, please. Okay, let's put our score pile tape on. Excuse me. And thought I'd let you guys know, you guys can find me on Facebook too, Scrappin' It Up. We are on Pinterest. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing as we done before. Let me put my black piece of paper here so you guys can kind of see. Just doing just like we did before. So you're going to line it up with your top and bottom, and then your tabs. You don't want to go over. You just want to stay pretty flush with it. And then when you get it where you want it, take your tape off. Same thing on this other side. Just line it up. When you get it lined up, just take your tape off. Okay, there's those now. Yay! Okay, now you're going to make flaps and pockets for here. Do I want to stop, or I think we can. So what you're going to do is grab another file folder, or you can use coordinating cardstock, just totally up to you. Coordinated cardstock would be pretty nice. So what I'm going to do, I want my tabs for here's what we're doing, is we're going to make these right here. I'm wondering, we probably better stop this, and I'll do part 4, because otherwise I'm going to be getting close to the limit of YouTube. So I'll go ahead and stop it here, and I'll be back here in a little bit, and we'll get part 4 done for you. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.